Don't laugh at me, Mr. Leigh, but my front yard faces a highway with a slope and has Bermuda and torpedo grass. I'm content to have both, but crabgrass has started to move in. What can I use to kill crabgrass but leave torpedo and Bermuda grass alone? And this is Dwayne on YouTube. So there you go, Mr. Leigh, just for you. So yeah, how do you control the crabgrass without harming the Bermuda and torpedo grass?
One thing you have a really good thick turf that'll crowd out lots of it and everything.
Okay.
Try to put me a pre-emergent down to try to get rid of that crab before it begins to germinate.
Okay.
In there. Now, a long time ago, you used to have, I don't know, still I can find it, MSMA. You put that, you might not be finding, I don't know if you can find MSMA or not right now. But you put the quality.
So yeah, for the post-emergent, you have to use quinclorac.
Quinclorac, okay.
Yeah, before the pre-emerge, it's dithiopyr or pentamethylin.
Pentamethylin, yeah,
right.
You read and follow the label on there and everything. Now, a lot of time when you're pre-emergent herbicide, you probably need to be watered in once you put it down. So you need to read the label on there, because you can't put it down there and it'll give you so many days that you need to water that in there. In there. So, and I like to put mine down when I know it's going to rain. I don't want to get that water, no grass in there.
Right. And then watch your toxicity also for the animals, reading the labels for the animals.
Right.
Whether they can eat any of it or even be on it for X amount of time.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's going to be on the label. You're exactly right.
Right, yeah.
Right. Exactly right.
Yeah, for your animals and your pets and everything like that. Yeah.
You know, I've used MSMA and I know it has some restrictions. It has grazing restrictions. So.
Okay, yeah.
Again, why it's always important to read the label.
Read the label on there to make sure, yeah.
You know, crabgrass is a summer annual, grass. Now, when you put down the pre-emerge, I mean, you can put it down in the spring, early, and you would target the growth or forsythia, because when forsythia starts to grow, that means the soil is warm enough for crabgrass to start germinating.
Gotcha. And that's one of the first ones too.
Right, it's one of the first ones to come out. And that, and that thing, kind of varies from year to year depending on the temperature.
We all notice that because it's yellow and it's early.
That's right.
So it's time to treat crabgrass then?
Right, so you can put down your pre-emerge, at that time, and then, read and follow the label, and it'll tell you when to put it out again.
Okay.
Right, so it has residual activity is what that is. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.